When I was 10 years old, I found a small English book on my brother's desk. It had a bright blue cover and pictures in every chapter. I picked it up and sat under the big tree in our backyard. I didn't understand most of the words, but I was curious. That afternoon, I decided to start learning English, just a little every day. I began with the alphabet in simple words. I wrote them in a notebook and practiced them at night before bed. My first real lesson happened during a movie. I was watching a cartoon with English subtitles. In one scene, a dog jumped into a pond. The words on the screen matched the action. I paused the movie and wrote down the sentence. The dog jumps into the pond. That sentence stayed in my mind. At school, I asked my English teacher for help. She gave me a list of common phrases. I stuck them on the wall next to my bed. Every morning, I looked at them and read them aloud. My friends didn't speak English, so I practiced by myself. Sometimes I sat on the floor, pretending I was talking to someone in English. I asked questions and answered them out loud. One day, I found an old English dictionary between two books on the shelf in the library. I carried it home in my backpack and opened it every time I heard a new word. During the weekends, I watched English videos on the internet. I listened carefully and repeated what I heard. I learned phrases like on time, in a hurry, and under pressure. These words helped me sound more natural. My favorite place to study was at the kitchen table with a hot cup of tea and my English notebook. Sometimes I listened to English music and wrote the lyrics in my journal. I didn't always understand the songs, but I learned new words from them. After a year, I could understand simple conversations. I joined an online group for English learners. We chatted in English, made mistakes, and laughed together. Talking with others gave me confidence. Now, I still study English every day. I read books in English, watch shows with English subtitles, and even dream in English sometimes. It's not always easy, but I enjoy every moment. Learning English opened doors for me. I made friends from different countries and learned about the world. All it took was curiosity, a little effort each day, and a small book I found on a desk. Prepositions used location: on, in, under, at, next to, between, by with time, during, after, before direction, into, from, to purpose relation. For a bout of language learning doesn't happen overnight, but it happens when you stick with it. Prepositions might be small words, but they carry big meaning. Every sentence, every notebook, every moment matters. If I can learn English from scratch, so can you.